Currently, I work in a bunch of group homes, and one of the lingo that I hear a lot when I walk in is when I ask, how was so-and-so's day, they'll say, oh, she had a lot of behaviors. Now, we as behavior analysts know that behavior is defined as the activity of an organism. And so there was one day where I walked into a group home and I had to drive 60 miles for a meeting. Made it there, the meeting was a half hour, so I was like, okay, let me, spend some time and go through some data and make my time here useful. So I was going through data and talking to them about their days, and I was asked how one of the clients had been doing that particular day, and the staff member said to me, oh, she's been having a lot of behaviors. And in that moment, there were all those setting events that I was just like, okay, we need to talk about that because it doesn't tell me anything. So I said to him, behavior is defined as the activity of an organism. If you're gonna let me know sort of what is going on, I just need a little bit more clarity, some more definitive answers. We continued our conversation, I got the information, and I left. A couple days later, my coworker told me that that particular house manager, I talked to her about how uncomfortable my statement had made him. It came off super, super condescending and like I was trying to teach him something. When this man is working God knows how many hours, trying to make the group home run, doing behavior analytic work on top of doing cooking and cleaning for the house. And I had the audacity to come in and correct him on some semantics when I knew what he was saying. And so that, for me, was a good moment of checking in, where I'm a person that preaches a lot about consumability and collaboration. And that was a really good moment for me to notice and tact something that I can work on.
Any words of encouragement? Final thoughts?
Yeah. Don't be what our stereotype is. We like to live in a bubble, read research outside of behavior analysis, learn from other places, talk to other people. Collaboration is a keyword that we use a lot. Don't let it just be a keyword. Practice it, live it, talk, learn, let your behavior be shaped. I'm Matthew Davies. I am going to be graduating from CSUN's MSABA program in about 5 weeks from today. And I am also a researcher in K-Lab.